Let's see how to draw a curved line in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, first, we want to head onto the Insert tab. Now, right here, click on Shapes. And right here, under Lines, you'll see that you have a variety of options to choose for your line. Now, if we want a curved line, we can see this right here, which specifies that it is a curve. Now simply click on that. And to insert your curved line, first click on the spot where you want to insert your line. Let's say right here. Now you'll notice that currently the line is straight. And when you click again, that would select the point at which your curve will begin. So for example, we want our curve to begin here. And you'll notice that when I drag my mouse, the curve is now there. And let's say that we want to click this and end the line right here in the specific spot. And to do that, simply double click your mouse, and that should end the line right there. And that is how you can draw a curved line in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.